My name's Mark Tiffney. I'm a housing officer with a housing association, and I've just sold a flat in Two Avenue in Pollokshields in Glasgow, and I've done it through McEwan Fraser. I came across McEwan Fraser by Googling the best estate agent in Great Britain, and it transpires that McEwan Fraser were recently given that award. So my expectations were very high, and I was in no way disappointed. McEwan Fraser, my experience of them is they're head and shoulders above other estate agents. The whole experience from their media package, which was right across the board and got my property fantastic viewings and publicity. The customer service is absolutely excellent. I was getting emails all the time telling me what was going on, any queries I had. People got straight back to me, and viewings, offers were all detailed on the message board on the McEwan Fraser website, so I felt I was always up to date with what was happening. McEwan Fraser have a real hands-on, can-do attitude. My previous experience of estate agents in the past was your photograph of your property goes in the window, and then you don't hear anything about what's going on, and you have to phone them up and find out what's happening. Absolutely not. McEwan Fraser put the seller right in the spotlight and keep them up to date constantly with what's happening. So on top of this, after a very short while, I found that my property had gone for thousands of pounds above the asking price, £22,500 above the asking price. This was unprecedented. I never thought this could happen. I attribute this to the media package and to the exposure that my property got out there in the property market. And from all the estate agents that I've had experience of, it seems that McEwan Fraser is the only estate agent to really punch well above their weight, and they've always got a niche market in terms of being the innovators in the property market as estate agents. If I'm ever buying or selling a property again, I'll go straight back to McEwan Fraser and ask them to do that for me. I'd recommend them to anyone who's serious about getting the most out of their property, out of their equity, and by getting the highest price possible and securing that in the shortest possible time. They really are the big boys in the property market.
McEwan Fraser Legal, raising new standards in estate agency.